What is polymorphism in OOP?
Polymorphism is a core concept in object-oriented programming that allows one interface to be used for different data types or classes. It enables objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. This makes code more flexible and easier to extend, as the same function or method can behave differently based on the object it acts on.
Why is polymorphism useful?
Polymorphism simplifies code management and encourages code reuse. By allowing different classes to implement the same methods in their own way, developers can write generic code that works with objects of multiple types. This leads to cleaner, more maintainable programs and makes it easier to add new features or classes without significant changes.
Types of polymorphism.
There are two main types of polymorphism in OOP: compile time and runtime. Compile time polymorphism, or method overloading, happens when multiple methods have the same name but different parameters. Runtime polymorphism, or method overriding, occurs when a subclass provides its own implementation of a method defined in a superclass.
Simple example, method overriding.
Imagine a base class with makeSound. A subclass like dog and cat can override this method. If you write code that uses an animal reference to call makeSound, the actual method executed depends on the object's class. Dog says woof, cat says meow. This is runtime polymorphism in action.
Simple example, method overloading.
Suppose there is a class called mathHelper with multiple add methods. One adds 2 numbers, another adds 3. All methods are named add, but have different parameters. This is compile time polymorphism, allowing you to use the same method name to perform similar but slightly different actions.
Key takeaways.
Polymorphism helps you write code that is both flexible and extensible. By understanding and applying this concept, you can create programs that are easier to maintain and expand. Whether through method overloading or overriding, polymorphism is a fundamental tool for any object-oriented programmer.